What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat strollers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Paws and Pals Jogger Folding Pet Stroller. Compared to most other pet strollers on the market, the Paws and Pals Jogger Folding Dog and Cat Stroller is inexpensive. However, it still has many of the features necessary for these sorts of strollers. Therefore, we consider it the best cat stroller for the money. This stroller comes with a great deal of storage space, including a whole undercarriage section. It can be used to haul your cats and all your stuff too. It has a foldable design that easily pops open when you're ready to use it. The interior is large and can be accessed with zippers on the front and back. The mesh is breathable but keeps your feline secured. That said, the stroller isn't super stable. If your cat moves too far to the back, it may tip over. Number 2. Petique Dog and Cat Stroller. While the Petique Dog and Cat Stroller is more expensive than some other options on the market, it comes with a few features that make the extra price worth it. It has a one-hand folding mechanism, so you won't have to fight the stroller to fold it when you need to transport it. It also comes with a large storage basket on the front, alongside 2 pockets in the back. Whatever you need to bring with you, this stroller has storage space. The mesh windows provide constant air circulation while keeping your cat safe. With large tires and front wheels that swivel and lock, this stroller can be used on just about any terrain. The advanced wheels are a large reason that this stroller is so expensive compared to other options. Number 3. Petgear Happy Trails Lite No Zip Pet Stroller. The Petgear Happy Trails Lite No Zip Pet Stroller does not contain a complete mesh canopy, which enables your cat to have an unobstructed view of the world. Instead, an internal tether keeps your pet safe and secure. Since there is no mesh screen, you can quickly and easily access your pets as needed. The inner liner is completely waterproof and can be easily wiped down as necessary. If your cat has any accidents, you won't have to worry about it with this stroller. Rear safety brakes help ensure that you can stop this stroller at a moment's notice. It also includes the usual storage baskets and cup holders. Number 4. PetLuv Happy Cat Soft-Sided 3-in-1 Pet Stroller. The PetLuv Happy Cat Soft-Sided 3-in-1 Pet Stroller is both expensive and large. It can hold large breed dogs, just to give you an idea of its overall size. Therefore, if you want to give your cat plenty of room to move around, this stroller may be for you. It comes with locking zippers to keep your cat secure inside the container. A plushy pillow is provided for naps, and it comes with many windows to offer your pet a full view of the world. The carrier can be detached from the frame, which is on 4 locking wheels. This feature enables you to use it independently. You can also use this in the car with seatbelt restraints. Therefore, you never have to remove your cat from the stroller, no matter where you go. Number 5. Petgear View 360 Travel System Dog and Cat Stroller. If you want your pet to get a great view of the outside world, we recommend the Petgear View 360 Travel System Dog and Cat Stroller. This stroller has a unique design that enables your cat to see all the way around them. As a 3-in-1 system, this stroller can also be used as a carrier and booster seat. Anywhere you need to go with your cat, this stroller can accommodate you. Due to the mesh windows, this stroller maintains great airflow, while also enabling you to keep an eye on your pet. However, the stroller also has a tether on the inside to keep your cat secure, so you aren't relying on just the mesh. That said, this stroller is extremely expensive. It does have many features, but it still may not be worth the money. It can be used as a booster seat, but the base is rather flimsy and the seatbelt attachments are plastic. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.